A re kitchen would be taking everything out of the existing space and putting everything brand new, fresh within that existing footprint. The other most common version of a kitchen renovation would be opening structural walls, expanding the footprint, and reconfiguring the layout. The biggest difference between a re kitchen and a redesigned kitchen is that you'll be doing potentially some major structural work, opening up walls, expanding that footprint. You'll also be relocating the mechanical, your electrical, your plumbing, and your HVAC, potentially doing a sizable amount of the existing home's mechanical and relocating that. Standard kitchen cabinetry is often pre-manufactured with things like particle board, press board, sort of a standard grade material, generally wrapped, versus high-end custom cabinetry is sized according to the spaces, manufactured usually with a higher quality material, maybe plywood or the species of wood like oak or maple, and then the doors and all the trimming, custom-made sizes in that species to match. Cabinetry for a kitchen can range anywhere from $5,000 or $8,000 up to over $80,000. Even within custom cabinetry, you can get variations of, what type of box material do you want? The sliding system, is it metal versus wood? How do the drawers connect and the door faces connect? Are they dovetail and intricate? Is it just standard glue or screws? And even down into the utensil holders and the screws themselves that hold everything together, you can pick from. And that dictates why there's such a wide range, even within a custom spec. Standard cabinetry does have a pretty significant variation. The boxes are usually pretty much the same, but then you have your door design and door faces, the profiles, how they're actually made together, the door hardware, and again, the systems and organizers that go with them. As an example, in a corner cabinet, do you just have a single shelf? Do you have a lazy Susan? Or do you have like a magic corner mechanical system that pulls the shelving out to you? The cost of a custom kitchen can be broken down into many different chunks. And what people often don't realize is how many professionals are required to do a kitchen renovation correctly. Often it's assumed that a dude shows up and handles everything, but you need an expert in each area. Example being, you'll have demolition crews come in to take care of hazardous material and prepare the site. That could cost as light as $1,000 to, if you do have hazardous material on site, potentially over $10,000 to remediate and remove. You've then got your framing crews, again, a few $1,000s of simple modification to potentially tens of thousands of dollars of structural work. Your electrical, your plumbing, and your HVAC, again, depending on that redesign and what's involved with reconfiguring the house, you could have a few $1,000s for each of those trades, up to over $10,000 for major home adjustments. Re-insulating existing walls, especially if you're doing like century homes and things like that. You've got to strip the existing walls, see what's wrong, re-insulate those. Again, a few $1,000 to probably $8,000, depending on the size of the space. Now you're getting into your drywall, your subfloor, your floor finishes, each trade again requiring about $5,000 to $10,000 for their craft. Cabinetry install, countertops, backsplash, and then all your trim and paint. So there's a lot of different experts that are required to make a custom kitchen perfect, not just one or two dudes. The budget you would need for a custom high-end kitchen project would start around $50,000 to $60,000 and potentially range up to about $100,000. The first three steps that you need in order to move forward with your kitchen renovation would be to secure a detailed and thorough design, create an itemized and accurate scope of work, and then a detailed material selections profile.